In this lesson, we will learn about the timeline monitor, which is also known as the program monitor in Adobe Premiere Pro. This monitor shows us the final result of our editing. Whatever we place on the timeline, video, text, effects, transitions, everything is displayed right here. It's important not to confuse the source monitor and the timeline monitor. The source monitor is for previewing clips before editing. The timeline monitor is for previewing your edited video. Source monitor equals before edit. Timeline monitor equals after edit. The playback controls in the timeline monitor work the same way as before, like spacebar, J, K, L. Now let me tell you one more vital thing. If your timeline contains HD or multiple high-resolution video clips, playing the video at full resolution can make playback slow or jerky. To get smooth playback, you don't need full resolution while editing. Simply lower the playback resolution to half or below. This reduces the preview quality only while editing, but your final export quality stays exactly the same. Lowering playback resolution is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve performance, especially on heavy timelines, and that's a complete explanation of the timeline monitor, also called the program monitor,